Hello student, welcome to biology class, and in this video lecture we are going to discuss about the cytokinin. Before this, in previous video lecture we have discussed about auxin and gibberellin. So the rest phytohormone is cytokinin, ethylene and abscisic acid. So out of these, in this video lecture we will discuss about cytokinin. As the name cytokinin, it is responsible for the process of cytokinesis during the cell division. So, about the discovery of cytokinin, it was first discovered by or observed by Skoog and Miller. Skoog and Miller first observed the chemicals along with the auxin in internodal region. When they observe internodal region of stem of tobacco, we have discussed about it in the discovery. So in internodal region of stem of tobacco, they observe the enlargement when they apply auxin. When they apply auxin along with some other substances, when they apply auxin with other substances, he observed that that other substances can include the vascular tissue, or maybe coconut milk, or corn cell, and so on. So these are the material when added with auxin or mixed with auxin and applied to the internodal region of stem tobacco. It was observed there is enlargement of stem axis, and later on these other substances together called kinetin, and this kinetin is chemically 6-perfuril aminopurine. It means these compounds are amino derivative, purine derivative. As we have discussed about the chemical composition of hormones, so these are the purine derivative, and in purine it is adenine derivative, adenine. So we have studied about the kind of nitrogenous base. There are two types, purine base and pyrimidine base. So purine is of two types, adenine, guanine, and pyrimidine is of three types, that is the guanine, cytosine and thymine. So this is about the discovery. So this compound or cytokinin, when do the process or add with auxin, there are three combinations with auxin. When auxin is equal to the cytokinin, then there will be cell division. It promotes cell division only. So if a cell applied or keep in a medium containing equal amount of auxin and cytokinin, that in that medium only cell division take place, and that cell lead to the formation of callus. So due to cell division there is a formation of callus. The second condition when auxin is greater than cytokinin, it promote rooting, while the third situation or third condition in which auxin is less than cytokinin, so this combination promote shooting process. It means the enlargement of shoot system. So these together combination help in differentiation. So always cytokinin act their activity along with auxin. So when this auxin and cytokinin mix in equal quantity, cell division or callus formation, and when there is a single component from both will be increase or more or less, that leads to differentiation. That means root formation and shoot formation. So this is about the cytokinin. Now about its function. So the function of cytokinin, we observe it promotes cell division. It means after application of cytokinin, there will be rapid cell division, then differentiation. Differentiation in plants also occur with the help of cytokinin along with auxin in some ratio. Then it promotes flowering in some plants. Now it also delay senescence. It means the fruit or any part of plants, when applied with cytokinin, that part will remain young or will remain fresh for longer duration, or we can say that the raw fruit remain as raw over a period of time when applied with cytokinin. It also break seed dormancy. So the breaking of seed dormancy is due to its nature to increase metabolism. So in plant's body, it increases metabolism, so leads to the breaking of seed dormancy and seed start to germinate. So this is all about the function of cytokinin and its discovery and its activity in plant's body.